Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Do you remember our Instagram post about Arequipa? Yes, I could. One, those satellites. You guys are amazing. So today we are making this video to show you why Arequipa is the best city to visit in Peru. That's right. Arequipa is beautiful and history city. There are many things to do and see here. Let's start. Uh, hey, I am Aaron and I am Alejandro. First, let's talk about activities in Arequipa. You can do many exciting things. What is the first things people should do? Well, visit the Santa Catalina Monastery. It is like a small city inside the city. You can walk through the colorful streets and take a lot of photos. Is it boring? No, it's fascinating. Also, is you like adventure. You can go trekking in a Colca Canyon. It is very deep and impressive. Don't forget to walk around the Plaza de Armas at night. There is a great atmosphere there. You can sit on a beach and enjoy the view of the cathedral. Now, let me tell you what you can see at 8. I'm angry and really. What about the food? Arequipa is famous for its food. You must eat rocoto relleno. It is spicy and delicious. There is some meat and cheese inside the pepper. Is there any traditional drink? Yes, you can drink chicha de jora or a local soda called Inca Cola. Also, you can see the misty volcano from any part of the city. It is angled the and white. And for dessert, you can buy some queso helado. It is a traditional ice cream. It doesn't have any cheese, but it is sweet and creamy. It's delicious. I you want to buy some very nice. Go to the San Camilo market. There are a lot of things to buy there, like alpaca, sweaters, and handicrafts. The market is next to the main street. It is very easy to find. So plan your trip now. Visit Arequipa and enjoy this wonderful city. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe for more travel videos. Bye bye. See you in Arequipa.